Welcome to the Peace, Love, Money, Prepare channel. Be at peace, feel the love, save the money by being prepared. 42 useful items to have in an emergency, along with 8 bonus items. The following are FEMA recommended items. Also recommended by survivors of Hurricane Helene as most used, and recommended by the Red Cross for life, the universe, and everything preparedness. FEMA. Ready items for your essential emergency supplies. Number 1. Water and non-perishable food for at least 3 days, 1 gallon per person per day of water, and at least 1 aluminum or steel single-walled water bottle per person. Number 2. An extra cell phone with battery or solar charger or other emergency communication devices tailored to your situation. Number 3. A battery-powered or hand-crank radio that can receive NOAA weather radio tone alerts and extra batteries. Number 4. A flashlight and extra batteries to start your power outage supply basics. Number 5. An American Red Cross first aid kit and manual in hard copy. Read it and learn it first before you need it. Number 6. A whistle to signal for help. A plastic whistle might work better for winter natural disaster preparedness so your lips don't freeze to the metal. Number 7. Dust mask to help filter contaminated air, plastic sheeting, and duct tape to shelter in place. Pro tip: store some emergency shelter supplies inside and install them inside your home. Number 8. Moist wipes, toilet paper, hand sanitizer, garbage bags, and plastic ties for personal sanitation. Number 9. A non-sparking wrench or pliers to turn off utilities. These can be kept in your survival tools and equipment stash along with a pry bar or possibly a battery-operated chainsaw for clearing brush or trees after a storm. Number 10. A can opener if your emergency food and water kit contains canned food. Number 11. Have a local map on paper and download it on your phone. Integrate this item into your family emergency plan and make sure everyone has one. If you start with these items, you will be in better shape than if you didn't start at all. My advice is to start a Prepper Essentials kit with what you already have on hand. Assemble it in one container so you know where it is. If you don't have everything all at once, don't sweat it. Take baby steps and start assembling. When you have put everything that you have acquired so far in your kit, start with the next list doing the same thing. Take stock of what you already have on your disaster readiness list, and you will know what you need to look for. It might magically appear, especially if you let others know exactly what you're looking for. You might even be able to find it for free on places where people post things they don't want anymore. Remember, some is better than none. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Show others that you love and care. If you subscribe and ring the notification bell, you will automatically get notification of next videos such as pet preparedness and Faraday enclosure crafts. Here are some additional items to consider adding to your disaster readiness list. Number 1. Prescription medications and eyeglasses. Number 2. Infant formula and diapers. Number 3. Pet food, water, and supplies for your pet. Subscribe to get the upcoming video. Number 4. Important family documents such as copies of insurance policies, government identification, a copy of a utility bill to prove residency and bank account information, as well as credit card numbers. Have a list on paper of contact information of friends and family. Keep it all in a waterproof container such as a Ziploc bag. Number 5. Have some cash in a variety of denominations and change in coins on hand. Just how much is up to you. Number 6. Emergency reference material in a hard copy, such as a first aid book or information downloaded and printed from www.ready.gov. Number 7. A sleeping bag or warm blanket for each person, and consider additional bedding if you live in a cold weather climate. Number 8. A complete change of clothing, including a long-sleeved shirt, long pants, sturdy shoes, or waterproof boots. Consider adding more clothing if you're in a colder area. Number 9. A fire extinguisher, fire blanket, baking soda, or cans of beer or soda, which can be shaken and used to extinguish small fires. Number 10. Matches in a waterproof container, a lighter, or both. Number 11. Feminine supplies including panty liners and pads, personal hygiene items, and hand sanitizer or hand sanitizing wipes. Number 12. Mess kits, paper cups, plates, disposable utensils, and paper towels. Number 13. Paper and pencil, Sharpie permanent marker. Please see my previous video, 15 fabulous thrifty things for your walking or everyday carry bag, for more information on the permanent marker. Number 14. Books, cards, games, puzzles, or other activities can keep children and adults entertained when the internet is down. If you think of anything else, please put it in the comments so we can all learn from each other. Keep watching until the end to see if I have covered everything. Additional items recommended by Helene and Milton survivors that would be nice to have for hardcore hurricane survival gear and those with more space and resources include: Number 1. For your power outage supplies, generators either gas or solar. Number 2. Buddy heaters and propane along with a CO2 carbon dioxide detector and smoke detector. Number 3. A camp stove and fuel is great to have. Number 4. MREs, Hormel Completes, ready rice, canned convenience foods, and crackers in addition to junk food snacks. Number 5. A bottle or can opener with a blunt end and optional sharp pointed end for cans. Number 6. Hot hands hand warmers and hot water bottles. A warm puppy can also be used. Number 7. An extra cell phone with Google Maps downloaded onto it, Starlink devices, and power banks to be kept in Faraday enclosures. Number 8. Faraday cage or bags to put extra electronics into for storage are recommended in case of EMP or HEMP. Please subscribe for more information on these phenomena in upcoming videos. Next video, why you might need a Faraday cage and how to make one. Subscribe to get notified. Did I miss anything? Put it in the comments. Did I answer your questions? What were you hoping to find out? Put it in the comments. If you would like a free download of this list in PDF form, please go to my LinkedIn site through the channel information on YouTube. Thank you for watching this channel. Be at peace, feel the love, save the money, and be prepared. Subscribe for videos on emergency shelter supplies, natural disaster preparedness, family emergency plans, thrifty survival tools and equipment, emergency communication devices including analog devices, power outage supplies, first aid kit essentials, emergency food and water, disaster readiness lists, prepper essentials, other essential emergency supplies, hurricane survival gear, tornado survival gear, FEMA recommended items, disaster supplies checklists expanded, and various emergency preparedness kits.